How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Now that you've picked up your nice new Garmin smartwatch, the best thing to do is to protect it via a screen protector. And there is some fantastic screen protectors that you can get that are glass. So just like glass screen protectors that they make for smartphones, they make perfect cut and perfect fit ones for your smartwatch. So I've got one here for my Garmin S62, and this is the one right here. And I'm gonna link a bunch of these in the description box below for different sizes and different watch face sizes. So just check it out down below. And if you want to pick up one for your smartwatch, I should have the one listed down below for you. So let's go ahead and install it. It's very, very easy to install, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just turn your watch off. It's just going to be easier for the installation process, so your screen doesn't accidentally keep coming on. So we're just going to leave it shut off for now. And then we're going to grab a couple of things that are included with your screen protector. So we've got alcohol wipes, and we've got this little sticky thing which removes dust from your screen. And then I've also picked up a little cloth right here, which is to just clean it for your last clean off here. So let's go ahead and grab these alcohol wipes, and we're just gonna quickly wipe the face on the watch right there, just to get it a little bit wet and just get all that dust and stuff off of there. There we go. And then we're gonna grab the cloth right here, and we're gonna use that to dry it off. Perfectly, there we go. And then we're gonna grab one of these little dust absorbers, and these will remove any sort of specked dust or anything, possibly even left from the cloth itself. So we're just gonna go ahead and just do that. And once you've removed all the dust, you wanna be quick with your installation so that no other dust or anything can go onto your watch face when you put on the screen protector. So we're gonna grab this screen protector back, which is the piece that's gonna go face down on your watch. And all you're gonna do is just kind of align it just right around the top and just press down. And you can kind of move it a little bit before it sticks down. There we go. Now it's grabbed and perfect. So you can see it just kind of self-healed itself, and it's all perfectly aligned and perfectly on there. Then just grab your cloth and just wipe it down a little bit. And then you've got your perfectly aligned, perfectly put on screen protector. Can go ahead and turn the watch on now. So we've got the watch all on, and then we can see that everything just works perfectly fine. So your touchscreen is not at all affected via your watch. So you can see everything works perfectly fine. So again, that's the installation of the glass screen protector for your Garmin smartwatch. And again, I'll link a bunch of the different sizes and your watch names down in the description box below. So check those out if you want to pick those up. They are affiliate links. They do help support the channel. Doesn't cost you anything extra. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.